Hello guys, what's up? Today I'm gonna showing you how to fix Windows 11 slow performance. It will both work for laptop and PC. First of all, you have to search Task Manager from the search bar. Then double click over Task Manager. Maximize the window. Here you will see the all apps running on the background now. Click Startup Apps. We have to disable all unused or unimportant startup apps right click over that and click disable. Similarly, disable all unimportant or unusable apps. Intel management, Intel Corporation, it is a software of motherboard, so I'm not disabling it. Intel graphics command and Intel management. Security health system. Give a restart to your PC or laptop. Give restart. Let's go to the second step. Run from the search bar, then double click over it. Type the name of program, folder, document, internet sources. Windows will open it for you. Search here pre-patch, PREFETCH, then OK. Windows will ask to continue. Click continue. Select all from pressing Ctrl A from keyboard, then delete it by pressing Shift delete. Then it will permanently delete from your PC. Similarly, search run command from the search bar. Then double click over it. Now type here temp percentage temp, then again percentage sign. Then press OK. Similarly, select all by pressing Ctrl F from keyboard, then delete it by pressing Shift delete, then yes. Do all this for current items, skip. Then search again run. Now type here temp Then similarly delete it by pressing shift delete. Now you have to clean disk C drive from run command. After searching run, now you have to type clean mgr clean mgr, then OK. Select C drive, then press OK. You can use disk cleanup to free up to more than 2 GB, 5 GB or 10 GB disk space from C drive. Total amount of disk space you gain 890 megabyte. Clean up system file, click over clean up system file, then press OK. Disk cleanup is calculating how much space will be able to free from C drive. This may take a few minutes to complete calculating. Select all except recycle bin. Now total amount of disk space you gain 1.64 GB. Are you sure to delete permanently? Delete files. Now all cache file and necessary temporary file will be deleted permanently from C drive. Wait a few minutes, it depends on your system configuration. After that you have to download CC Cleaner. Search CC Cleaner on any browser, then click over cccleaner.com, click over free download. Now CC Cleaner is downloading. After completing download, you have to double click over this cc setup.exe file. Double click over this exe file, then CC Cleaner will be installed within 1 or 2 minutes. Please wait while setup is loading. Click install. I have already installed CC Cleaner from my download folder, so I am opening it. Double click over CC Cleaner after installing. Maximize the window. Then click over custom clean. Then click run cleaner from the right corner. Cleaning complete. within 11 seconds. 326 megabyte removed. Then click over tools. After that, registry. Select scan for issues. It will check broken registry files from your laptop or desktop. After scanning registry editor, click review selected issues. Do you want to back registry before changes? No. Press no, then fixed all selected issues. Issue fixed, then click pause. Then give a restart to your PC or laptop. Now let's go to the next step. Search installs app from the search bar. Then click open. You will see all installed apps from your Windows 11 laptop or desktop. Uninstall all unnecessary software. I am uninstalling news. Uninstalled successfully. But if you uninstalled apps from control panel or installed files, it is not completely removed from your PC or laptop, so you have to download IOBit Uninstaller Pro. Search IOBit Uninstaller at any browser, then click over download IOBit Uninstaller free. Then download IOBit Uninstaller from the official site. Click over free download. After downloading IOBit Uninstaller, double click over exe file. Then it automatically starts to installing. I have already installed IOBit Uninstaller. So after installing, click over IOBit Uninstaller. IOBit Uninstaller gives you all software list. How much disk space uses by software. Select on unused or unimportant apps. Then click uninstall. Now we are seeing that I'm installing Microsoft Ads and Teams from my laptop. Similarly, you can uninstall all unimportant or unusable apps from your Windows 11 laptop or desktop. Here we are seeing that all registry files and hidden files removed successfully from my laptop. 1.6 GB files and resistance is 187. Press OK. Similarly, you can uninstall all unimportant apps, then give a restart again. Let's go to the next step. Search here CMD, then right click over that and click run as administrator option. Maximize the window. Type here CASK. It will check or disk error from your SSD or hard disk drive. It will fix automatically. Here we are seeing that stage 1 is examining. It takes with 1 to 2 minutes. It depends on your computer or laptop configuration. Now we are seeing that it is successfully completed. After that close the window, then give a restart again. Let's go to the next step. Search here Windows, update, click over check for updates. Click check for updates. Checking for updates. It will update your outdated driver. If they found any outdated driver, it will update automatically. I am already up to date, so there are no drive to update. Let's go to the next step. Go to the Google Chrome, then click three dot from the top right corner. Click over history, then give check mark. Press Ctrl F from keyboard to select all, then click delete browsing data. Here default will be basic. Last hour you have to select advanced all time. After selecting time range all time, you have to delete all files except password and other sign-in data, autofill form data, and site settings. Delete data. After after clearing browsing data, give a restart again. Now it's time to compare how many times it taking to boot Windows 11. I'm showing you a comparison between them. Here you are seeing that now it is loading too fast. So that's all. Thanks for watching.